What if I told you some birds have a built-in quantum compass? Scientists believe migratory birds like robins can literally see Earth's magnetic field using quantum entanglement. Inside their eyes, special proteins react to light and create pairs of entangled electrons. These electrons respond to magnetic fields, helping birds sense invisible forces and navigate thousands of miles. It's like nature's own quantum GPS system. Would you trust quantum mechanics to guide your next road trip? Comment below if this blew your mind.